Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, but before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's make sure that under let me only find it under the Google services that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you will be logged into other Google account, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore the chats. So once we have checked that everything is fine, we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now we need to type our phone number and then verify it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So just give me a second. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that, contacts and media. Now click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow all. And now as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made, its size and the account on which we made it. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the settings. So now simply click on restore. Remember that if you don't do it now, there is a chance that you won't be able to do it later. So you should do this ASAP. Now click on next. In here you can type your name and change the profile photo. Then click on next. And now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. They don't appear here yet because I have low battery, and that's why the media don't want to restore. But simply, if you also have low battery, load it up and everything will be fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.